osebno doživetje, a ti je všeč? Zakaj ti je to všeč?
Zato, ko imam rad glasbenike, rad igram glasbila.
Zakaj ti je všeč biti na festivalu?
Zato, ko se družim z Bogijem, pa ko vodi eno oddajo Slovenski pozdrav, to je najboljše.
This is a very new experience for me, but I'm very, very inspired, and inspired in a way that is, I mean, oftentimes when you work with special needs, people think that there's this tendency to feel sorry for or try to be sympathetic, but it's not that. It's truly viewing these children, seeing the vim, vigor, the zest for life, and being inspired by that. I mean, sometimes we forget what great lives we lead, and just seeing them like reminds me of that personally. And it's a great experience so far. I mean, I'm super flattered to be part of this festival, and I'm just excited.
Ja, ko sem tega fanta spoznal.
A to ti veliko pomeni, da igrate glasbeniki skupaj? Kaj pa ti je najbolj všeč?
Ko je band najboljši.
The idea of the festival is basically for inclusion of people of various different special needs. Actually, the funny thing is, I feel like we're the ones who need inclusion into the world, because we take so many things for granted, and it's not that they need to be included into our world.